Thank you for joining us in the Yetter Solutions Center. Our Solutions Center videos discuss, explore, and evaluate the latest Yetter innovations while tackling the tough agronomy issues our industry faces. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to check out the complete Yetter Solutions Center playlist at youtube.com/YetterCO. And as always, we're here to help you find profitable solutions for your operation. If you need more information or have a topic idea for a future episode, drop an email to our Solutions Center team at solutions@yetterco.com.